Wike, I don't see what is in that judgment that said should give them any cause of joy. Festus Oguche. A Nigerian lawyer, Barrister Festus Oguche, has expressed confusion over why the FCT minister and some Wike supporters were jubilant in reaction to the appeal court judgment. He stated that there was nothing in the judgment that warranted such joy and questioned the basis of that elation. He highlighted that the court had declared the lower court lacked jurisdiction over the matter. He argued that there was no substantive issue remaining before the court that justified the order to maintain the status quo, rendering the initial celebration seemingly misplaced. He said in an interview with Arise TV, "I saw some people jubilating and I don't know what they are holding on to. I don't see what is there in that judgment that should give them any cause of joy. What is important is that the court later went on to say that the status quo must be maintained. What amounts to the status quo is what we may not rightly state here, but having stated that the lower court has no jurisdiction, there is no other subjects before the court for it to make that order for maintenance of status quo." Well, what are your opinions on this? Make sure to leave them in the comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to turn on notifications so you can be notified when we upload daily content here on this channel. And don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so that they know what is going on and they can give their own opinions on this. Now, let's see what other people have to say about this. Nothing concerns me with judgment or no judgment. All I want to know is, are the 27 lawmakers still members of the PDP, APC, or PDAPC? They did not understand the grammar. All of us cannot be stupid not to know that the Court of Appeal rendered the injunction granted against the 3 members' assembly as null and void, and therefore amounted to naught. I am surprised that you are pretending not to know that any order and judgment given by any court without jurisdiction is of no effect, hence the reason why Wike's supporters are happy. Maintenance of the status quo means that the affected legislators remain lawmakers in Rivers State, and any law they have made and will still remain binding on all Rivers people, including the governor. The appeal court saying the Rivers State High Court or any other state high court has no jurisdiction to entertain such case simply means that Honorable Martin Ameule led House subsists. Whether you like it or not, Fubara is in charge of the state. It's simple. Until Fubara is removed finally from office, then we shall know that Wike owns the court and judges. For now, it is speculation. It is these kinds of jobless lawyers that never win any cases that are deceiving Fubara. Festus, go and sit down. You are among those that led Fubara into this mess. You don't see what is the judgment, Abi, but you see section 272(3) that states high courts have no jurisdiction to give such judgments on the 10th of May against the lawmakers. That's only federal high court. And you said you are a lawyer guiding Fubara, and you cannot tell Fubara the truth. You people are the most problematic people to Fubara. If you do not know, you know it now. Another defense attorney specializing in bail applications has offered his perspective on the appeal court ruling. Many of these legal professionals frequently handle cases in the magistrate court, particularly focusing on assault or affray cases where they only make brief appearances. Typically, they request bail for the defendants and not attend subsequent court proceedings. This particular lawyer falls into that category. Once upon a time, a very short time ago, the Fulanis were the owners of a party in Nigeria called APC, but today the Yorubas are the owners. We are waiting and watching who are going to be the next owners of the party. Please, can we stop this nuisance? that is causing here and there. I recommend to all of us hear this new heavenly innovative song on YouTube channel. It will help us, especially in this period of big hardship and challenges in Nigeria. Mr. Lawyer, there is a little joy because the nullity by the appeal courts on the state court judgment shows that the 27 lawmakers should still retain their position and Okojumbo with the state government to apply afresh to the Federal High Court to challenge the lawmakers' defection. See, Nigerian lawyer, there's nothing in judgment that should give them any cause of joy. What's important is that the court later went on to say that the status quo must be maintained. What amount to the status quo is what we may not rightly state here, or you don't know as a lawyer. Well, these people have all given their opinions on this. Make sure to leave your own opinions in the comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so that they know what's going on and they can give